Welcome. In front of me is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, before we get started, you'll need to have a computer for this and a cable that is plugged into your computer. Samsung wants to be annoying, so for you to boot into recovery mode, you're just required to have it plugged in for no reason other than because Samsung. Anyway, so let's bring down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen. Click on the power button and select power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power button and the volume. Actually, we don't need to hold power button, sorry. We're gonna hold just volume up. And while holding it, just plug in the cable. Now, if it's not gonna start booting up, we will actually add a power button. So yeah, let's just hold that. It's not booting up, even though it's plugged in, so I'm gonna... Oh, never mind. Now, when you see the Samsung Galaxy, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. You can also get rid of the cable, it was only needed to get us in here. Every other device doesn't need cable to enter this mode. It's just Samsung's deliberate way of just annoying us, so do want to point that out. So while we're in this mode, we don't need a cable anymore, and we can navigate through this mode using volume buttons, like you do on every other device. And going over the options, we have things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Wipe Cache Partition, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off. And back to the first option. Now, whenever you have options selected that you want to obviously use, you will then use power button to confirm it. So for me, that is Reboot System Now. I want to confirm that so I can get back to Android. Power button will reboot the device and, well, bring me back to Android. And here we are. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.